Welcome to Python Tips and Tricks with Vitus DK. We will quickly check out some cool things for both beginners and experts. The tips are categorized into general, values and variables, statements and expressions, operators, functions, modules, and more. Let's dive in. Today we will focus on general tips. There are 10 tips and tricks to cover, so let's go. Number 1. One of Python's Easter eggs, import this, is a bit of a fun hidden gem within the language. When you run this line in the Python interpreter, it prints out the Zen of Python, which is a set of guiding principles for writing complex programs, computer programs, that influences the design of Python. Number 2, we can get location of modules that we've imported, just like the import this, by using the print function. We already imported this, so printing the module tells us where this Python file is located in our system. We can also do the same for the keyword. Number 3, use the help function to get information about modules and functions. Remember, everything is an object in Python. Alternatively, you can get help interactively by running the help function without arguments, then entering the module, function, or object you need to get help with. Number 4, RTFM. Read the Python documentation. This is the number one resource that you will always have to refer back to when writing Python code. Number 5, use the Python interpreter to quickly experiment code snippets. You can use it either through your operating system's command line, shell, or terminal, or via a notebook, or an integrated development environment, IDE. Number 6, speaking of IDEs, use code editors and IDEs which actually make your coding experience easier and more efficient. Number 7, make your life a lot easier by breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable chunks of tasks. Number 8, before writing code, plan efficiently using pseudocode and flowcharts. Number 9, use online reputable communities and forums to learn and get help. Number 10, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Practicing and making mistakes is by far the best way to learn. The more you code, the better you will. And of course, the bonus tip for the day, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like any content that pleases you, and do not be shy to comment. Continue sharing the content and enjoy. Thank you. This has been Vitus DK. You already know.